Hi everyone, this is self-balancing robot based on simple DC gear motor. It reads data from a motion sensor and try to balance the robot. So as you can see here, this is the motion sensor what you're seeing attached between the clamps and the LiPo batteries. So this is a motion sensor, the finger pointing. This connected and it sends data to Arduino Uno at pin A4 and A5. This is Arduino Uno. So this is 2 DC gear motor here. These jumper wires are connected to motor driver. This is fairly simple and easy to build. So the main issue comes here is to adjust the value of P, I and D. That will only balance the robot. So let's see if it can perform well. So as you can see, it is powered on. So if you're tilting the robot in the direction, the wheel will also move in the same direction. So as you can see here, either backward tilt or forward tilt, and the middle vertically upper state, it's not moving. The wheels will slow down. So let's try to balance on a cloth. So let's see here, it's able to balance itself. There is no control here, so it just moves around, and when it starts falling, it starts to move in the same direction until the falling stops, and it slows down here. So as you can see here, it's slowing down and it will move. So if you push it a little bit, it will move in that direction and then it will slow down. Let's see how it performs on the ground. So as you can see, it's fully balanced. The trick here is to balance the PID value, and the selection of the wheels also matters here. It's a silicon rubberized wheel instead of a plastic wheel. Another thing is that the size of the robot is limited to certain around 1 feet kind height, that kind. It will be stable and moves very smoothly. As you can see here, is perfectly balanced. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you need any help, please leave a message and I'll reply back.